All right, we are seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, our altcoins, Dogecoin, not as bad, but we are seeing the crypto market get absolutely hammered. And a lot of people are asking, is this a crash? Are we in a crash? Are our altcoins, are our cryptocurrencies, are they going to be crashing? Is Dogecoin going to be crashing? So in today's video, we're going to be discussing all of these key points. So make sure you guys stay tuned into the end of the video because I have some very important information that I want to share with you. Alright guys, let me know in the comments below, are you guys going to be selling your Doge at this point? Do you guys think we're going to go a little bit further, or are you going to be buying these dips? Let me know in the comments below and let's talk about it. Guys, we finally made it to 10K and I could not have done it without your help. I thank all of you so much for your support, for all of your help to build this community and this channel up to where it is. So I really appreciate that. But if this is your first time coming to the channel, my name is Myles. I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. And in this channel, I talk about Dogecoin and other altcoins and cryptocurrencies. We do some technical analysis and we're able to call out big plays before they happen. So if you want to make a lot of money in the stock market or cryptocurrencies, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss a time-sensitive video. Also, go ahead and join the Discord. We have over 600 members. We talk about stocks and cryptos. We call out a lot of really big plays in there. You can do so by joining the Patreon and also check out my stock and trading alerts with cryptocurrencies and stocks through the Patreon. All right, so we are seeing crypto sell off. There is no major news with Dogecoin. However, we are seeing cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We are seeing Dogecoin sell off a little bit. And overall, we are seeing the stock market, it is absolutely getting hammered. And mostly it is getting hammered in the SPAC plays, a lot of the tech stocks, EV companies. And that is happening because that is the quarterly earnings reports time period. There's a lot of people taking profits. There's a lot of people, especially big whales, adjusting their portfolios. There's just been a lot of fear and uncertainty in the market. And that caused a lot of people to panic sell. It causes chain reactions because we had the Fed come out and speak about possible inflation for the next couple of months. But overall, the market and crypto market is very bullish. Yes, there's a couple of down days, there's a little bit of corrections, but that is natural in a market. And I'm only talking and I'm referring to stocks and cryptos as well because the stock market is guiding the crypto market. Unfortunately, the stock market is coupled with the crypto market, like Dogecoin, like Ethereum, like some of these altcoins. And sometimes they're really dependent upon the market. And the way the market moves is the way these cryptos are most likely going to be moving. But there is going to be a time in the future where our cryptocurrencies, our altcoins, and Dogecoin is going to be decoupled from the market and not even mattering what the stock market is going to do. We are going to see our cryptos pump to the moon, including Dogecoin. So before we talk about Dogecoin, let's talk about and look at Ethereum. Let's look at Cardano. Let's look at Bitcoin on a technical chart and let's see where they are headed. And just based on this information, we can see the general direction of where Dogecoin is going to be headed because Dogecoin is a smaller coin and these smaller coins are contingent upon these bigger coins like Ethereum, like Cardano, like Bitcoin. These two, especially Bitcoin and Ethereum, are something you want to look into if you're a Dogecoin holder. If you are interested to find out what is next for Dogecoin, you want to take a look at the bigger markets overall because they can give you a sense of direction where Dogecoin is going to be headed. So if we take a look at Ethereum, I'm using MarketCypher. It gives me indicators of what is going on. We are seeing a lot of manipulation, and that is what these yellow X's are signaling for us. We're seeing a lot of manipulation, and we have since sold off. We have fallen down ever since we hit the second high. We did not hit all-time highs when we pumped again, but we hit very close to it, 1938. We're a little bit less than $100 short of the all-time highs for Ethereum just several days ago. But since then, we have corrected, and let's see how much we've corrected. We've corrected 20%. It is possible for us to go down a little bit even further, especially as we are seeing some of the market sell off, but that is fine. We are going to continue to head up. We are still in a bull market. The same thing can be said for Bitcoin, but what I am seeing is this red X with this red blood diamond, and that is not a very good signal. That is a possible change of direction. We could be going up at this point. We could be getting bought back up, or we can continue to sell off. We could even hit levels of 50,000 or below, guys. We could certainly see that for Bitcoin, and that is possible. That is healthy because, guys, we are still in a bull market. And so, guys, what I did is I zoomed out and I put us on a daily chart time frame. And this is the crypto market. This is Bitcoin, and this is the crypto market in general. And what we are seeing, guys, look, we're seeing massive pumps. We hit these highs and we sell off a little bit. But let's take a look at some of these corrections, how big they were. The first one, we saw a correction of 31%. Let's take a look at the second one, a correction of 26%. And let's look at where the other all-time high was to where we're at now. We're at 15%. Guys, that is really not big at all. And that is fine. That is very healthy to see these type of corrections. And look, guys, the pattern continues to play out the same, but these patterns are getting tighter and smaller. So it's very possible that within the next couple of days, especially with these contracts expiring for the futures with Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially with those expiring in a couple of days, we could possibly see, and we're going to be seeing a lot of volatility, like I already mentioned and told you guys a couple of weeks back. But this week, expect a lot of volatility in the crypto and altcoin space, including Dogecoin. And look at Bitcoin, guys. Look, we pump up and we go down. We pump up and we go down. And what we are seeing is we are going to be seeing a reversal to the upside sometime very soon, guys. We are hitting higher highs and higher lows every single time, which signals for us that we are in a bull trend. But most importantly, let's take a look at Dogecoin, guys. Look, we pumped all-time highs, we came down, and we corrected a little bit, and we've gone up ever since, and we've consolidated. We've been staying in this range here, guys. And currently we are forming a descending triangle pattern, which could be a great signal for us to possibly break out. And I potentially see us breaking out this weekend. That is a very possible thing that I've mentioned for a couple of weeks with these futures contracts expiring with Bitcoin and Ethereum. And within the next couple of days, this could play out, that we can continue to trend down a little bit, but this is our key level of support. And our level of support is nearly 5 cents. So we can come down, bounce off of this. We can even come down further. But ultimately, I think this week that we are going to break out of this box and start to trend in a higher level. Like I said, I believe we are going to break out of this 5 cent level, go into the 6 cent level, and continue to trend because we are having a lot of support with Dogecoin. We have a lot of people jumping in. We have a lot of whales jumping in. And this is going to help further the growth of Dogecoin. So we are seeing Dogecoin in an uptrend. Yes, if we zoom in a little bit, we can see more of an uptrend. And look, if we zoom in to further clarify what I'm saying, we are in an uptrend, guys. We are hitting higher highs. Look, a higher high here, a higher high here, and a higher high here. We are also hitting higher lows, guys. Look, we have this was the low, the first low of this reversal pattern to the upside. We have another low, another low, another low, another low. So they are continuing to get higher, but we came down, we came up and came down a little bit, which is fine. That is healthy. So at some point we are going to be expecting a bounce in this area. We could come down a little bit further, but we are expecting a bounce at our level of support. And guys, we have a level of support right here, about 5 cents, like I previously just mentioned. And if we hit this level, I believe it is very possible for us to bounce up and to create another breakout. We could see another breakout from bouncing up at this level. So you guys may ask me, should I sell my Dogecoin? Should I continue to buy this dip? What should I be doing? No, you never want to sell when something has already been beaten down. You already lost your opportunity to sell. If you're going to sell, you need to sell here. You want to sell at the tops. You want to sell the rips, not the dips, guys. You don't want to sell when you're down here. That's when you buy. That's when you accumulate. You accumulate when something dips, when it goes lower, because it's offering you a free discount. Guys, it is not over. We see this time and time again. We go up and we go down. So we are going down, and then next it is for us to go up. So we are not going to go down forever. Nothing goes down in a straight line. Nothing goes up in a straight line. But overall, we are in a bullish trend, guys. So remember that. And I would be adding at these dips, especially if even at this level, I think we're in a great level, but we could even go down further. We could break past 5 cents. We can go to 4.5 cents. We could go to 4 cents based on what the market is going to be doing. And that is completely fine. And if we do that, that just gives you an opportunity to continue to cost average and to buy in at cheaper points, which can bring your cost average, your buying average down, so you can make profits on the way back up. So remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but guys, if you would please smash that like button, share this video with some of your friends, and I will see you guys in the next one.